This is a video about how to fix an intermittent power socket. So this is just a radio here. You see the power adapter's plugged in, but the radio's not working. But then, if you hold the power cable down, if you hold it in the right spot, it'll work. Then if you let go, it stops working. So this is how to fix that. This radio here has got 6 screws on it, so I'll just take them out. Right, so taking the screws out now, and you can see the back just lifts up like that, and there's connections for the power socket. So here's the socket on the inside, and as you can see, some of the solder connections are a bit loose, so we'll need to resolder those. Okay, so the solder pads are probably, there isn't really anything left to solder to, so I'm just going to try scratch a bit of this green coating off with a screwdriver. Not really sure what tool you need for this. Might be better with a craft knife. It's got to get some of the light green coating off, but make sure you don't damage the copper underneath. So you can see there's some copper underneath, you'll be able to solder to that. Take a bit more so the connection's a bit better. Do the same for this one as well, because this one's also broken. Pull it out actually, forgot to disconnect the power cable. It wasn't plugged in though, it wasn't switched on. Right, so we're going to try again from this angle here. Hopefully the camera doesn't move too much. That's that one done. I'll have to move it again to get to this one. That's the second one done now. I think the solder connection is still good. It does look a little bit cracked though, so I'm just going to resolder it. Should be alright now. Right, so I'll put the back on it. I've not screwed it in case it doesn't work. I need to take it apart again. Plug it in, it seems to work. Switch that light off. If I wiggle the power connector around it, seems like a pretty good connection. So yeah, I'll screw the back on it now. And now, let's give it a minute to connect. Probably not have a good signal in here. Don't want to play too much, I don't want to get copyright, but you can hear it works.